Yes, dear teachers, you are welcome to this course of powerful tools for teaching and learning digital storytelling. Basically, this course focuses to embrace teachers with the knowledge of transforming from 20th century to 21st century storytelling. In digital storytelling, basically, you'll be focusing on making sure that a learner will be able to create meaningful and creative digital storytelling. This is the powerful tools for teaching and learning digital storytelling. This course covers about 5 weeks with the grades, and it costs about 49 USD for someone to be handed a certificate. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5.